Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body. It's responsible for detoxifying harmful substances and regulating your metabolism. When your liver is healthy, your whole body functions better. One of the best ways to keep your liver healthy is by eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. In this video, we're going to focus on the top fruits that can help support your liver health. First up, we have grapefruit. Grapefruit is a citrus fruit that's loaded with antioxidants like naringenin and vitamin C. These antioxidants can help protect your liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Grapefruit also contains compounds like naringin that stimulate the production of liver enzymes involved in detoxification. This means that eating grapefruit can help your liver to better eliminate toxins from your body. Next, we have blueberries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in your liver and protect against damage from free radicals. Studies have also found that consuming blueberries can improve liver function and reduce the risk of developing liver disease. Fourth, we have avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help reduce inflammation in your liver and protect against liver damage caused by toxins like alcohol. Avocados also contain compounds like glutathione that can improve liver function and protect against liver disease. Finally, we have pomegranates. Pomegranates are a great source of antioxidants like punicalagins and vitamin C. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in your liver and protect against liver damage caused by toxins like alcohol. Pomegranates also contain compounds like ellagic acid that can help protect against liver cancer and other liver diseases. So, how can you incorporate these liver-friendly fruits into your diet? Here are a few ideas. Start your day with a grapefruit or a glass of grapefruit juice. Add blueberries to your morning oatmeal or smoothie. Snack on apple slices with almond butter in the afternoon. Use avocado as a healthy fat source in salads or sandwiches. Add pomegranate seeds to your yogurt or granola for a sweet and tangy twist. Healthy foods and drinks. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can help support your liver health and keep your body functioning at its best. However, it's important to remember that these fruits are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to maintaining a healthy liver. You should also limit your intake of alcohol, processed foods, and added sugars, and make sure to stay hydrated. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to stay healthy.